Now we have a series of performances for you. The first performer was taught by Wycliffe Bennett when he was a little bit more than 9, but today he will do Recollections of a 9-year-old. Then immediately after, Oliver Samuels, that's the person, we'll hear from the Little Theatre Pantomime Company, the LTM Pantomime Company, and they'll be doing an excerpt from the Pantomime Company's 2011 summer production, Letters for Emancipendence, Boglo. And then after that, we'll hear from a superb acting talent in Jamaica, male actor, Alwyn Scott. Ladies and gentlemen, could you help me welcome the performers, beginning with Oliver Samuels.
I was 9 years old, still a student at Alpha Academy, when Jamaica Triumphant opened at Winchester Park in 1938. My memory of the small walk-on part I was assigned is very blurred, but I can still feel the excitement of the pageant's overpowering scale, the width of the playing area about as big as a football field, scaffolding and parapets erected to what seemed staggering heights, my first exposure to microphones and speakers, stage lighting so imaginative it defined at the flip of a switch eras and events in the island's history, and the sheer numbers of actors, technicians, and administrative personnel which Father Lord commanded with imperial grace. These were the days of shortwave radio, faint and scratchy, which could stimulate only a black and white imagination in a boy. The pageant burst upon me and Jamaica in a blaze of color. I remember especially the armor of the Spanish soldiers, the swords of pirates, the regalia of colonial officialdom. But my most emotional memory was the pathos of George Bowen, a chained slave, naked from the waist, bathed in sunlight, in moonlight, singing Old Man River in a voice so rich it seemed to rise and resonate from Africa itself. From that moment on, I was literally stage struck.